Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this channel will share my thoughts on how to make money online. We'll also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm back with another plug, a very much entry level, and it's a home-based transcriber position, and you're going to be paid up to $20 per audio hour. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So this is how the website looks like, and the name of the company is Scraby, and we are gonna go ahead and click on view open jobs. So this company is always looking for creative, talented, and self-starters to join the Scraby family. So they currently have one job opening, which is a home-based transcriber. It's 100% remote, and we are gonna go ahead and click on apply to get more information. So you work at your own convenience and you will earn between $5 and $20 per audio hour, and they will provide automated transcript to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So they've provided us with a short transcription process. So firstly, you will have to listen. Required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. And then number two, you have to correct. So you will apply context, identify mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. And then that third step, which is getting paid. So you are going to earn between $5 and $20 per audio hour. It will be paid into your verified PayPal account. So for this position, you are gonna need to have a PayPal account. If you do not have one, you have to go ahead and create one. It's free of charge. So this is how much you are going to make or how much you're going to be paid per month. So as an intermediate transcriptionist, you will be paid around $800 per month, and you'll be working 8 hours per day. And then as a beginner transcriptionist, you will be paid $400 per month, and you'll be working 8 hours a day. And then advanced, you'll be paid $1,600 per month, and you'll be working 8 hours a day. So for this position, you are going to need the following. You need to be good in English, so it's good English comprehension. You need to have the ability to interpret conversations. You need the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. You are going to need a verified PayPal account, and you will need a laptop or desktop computer and internet connection. And lastly, you will need headphones or headsets. So here's 5 reasons for you to sign up. So the first one is that you're going to earn between $5 and $20 per audio hour. So the earnings depend upon your skills level and time spent. So if you've got a lot of time on your hands, a lot of free time on your hands, you're obviously gonna spend more time and make more money. So their transcripts are basically automated. That's the second one. So most of the work is basically done for you. And then the third one is that you are going to work from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. And then the fourth one is that it's work at your convenience. So there is no obligations, no monthly commitment or withdrawal limit. So you can withdraw anytime you've made money in the account. And then the last one is that the transcription review files are only around 6 minutes long, so they don't assign files. You can preview and choose files to work on. So here's why you should join this company. They are a fast-growing company. They are at an inflection point to achieve accelerated growth. They have great colleagues, and their team is very supportive. Then they have a cross-domain exposure. They're highly passionate and cohesive team. of teachers and transcripts. They always take charge as much as you are willing to take and show excellence. You don't stop learning. So if you're with this company, you will always learn. So, and then the last one is that they use the latest technology. So they're using cutting edge technologies. So they have practice files. So if you want to practice first before signing up, you can click on practice files and start practicing. But then to get started with the application process, you will click on sign up and start earning. And then you will land on this form and you will fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and you will have to confirm your password. Account type, you will select Transcriber, and then under industry, you will select the one you are comfortable with, because there's legal, there's video, there's podcast, there's academic, there's marketing, there's sermon, there's other. So you will select the one you're comfortable with, and then you click I'm not a robot. You agree to terms and conditions, then sign up. So next step will be writing a transcription test, and once you pass the test, you will then have gotten yourself a job. So I hope you guys are gonna go ahead and apply, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next person, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.